Hello, this is Mr. Tobert's class, Physical Science, Chapter 1, Lesson 2. Alright, lesson number 2. Independent and dependent variables. Independent variable is a variable that is changed. This is the thing that you or the scientist is deliberately changing. While the dependent variable changes because of you made modifications. You changed something else, so it depends on what you did. Typically, an experiment is divided into control and experimental groups. A control group is exposed to the same conditions as experimental group, except for one independent variable is used to compare, looked at as is. Scientists set up several sets of control and experimental groups to try to reproduce or replicate their observations. A controlled experiment is one where all the variables are controlled, except for the one that is being changed. How does all this measure up? 1.1 Measurement. A measurement is a determination of amount of something. A measurement has two parts: number value and unit. So it has more than just a number, more than just the number 5. You've got to tell me 5 of what? 5 feet? 5 people? You got to give me the unit. The unit is the most important part. The English system is used for everyday measurements in the United States, like miles, yards, feet, inches, pounds, pints, quarts, gallons, cups, teaspoons are all English units. But in the 1960s, the metric system was revised and simplified, and a new name was adopted, the International System of Units. We call that SI. We call that SI. The acronym SI comes from the French name, and you can read that. SI units from the base 10 are from the base 10 or the decimal system in the metric unit. There are 10 millimeters in a centimeter, 100 centimeters in a meter, and 1,000 meters in a kilometer. A meter stick. A meter stick is 1 meter long and divided into millimeters and centimeters. A meter stick has centimeters and divided into 10 smaller units called millimeters. What is the length that we see here? It looks to me like this push pin is at least 2 centimeters, but a little bit further than that. 1, 2, and a little bit more. So it looks to me that it's 2.5 centimeters. Take some time to look at this particular chart. There's some things that you're going to need to know for our test and quizzes. One of the things you need to know right away is the length of your pinky finger is typically about a centimeter. You'll need to know that about 10 drops of water equal about 1 millimeter. The mass of a large paper clip is about 1 gram. And room temperature tends to be about 21 degrees Celsius. Thank you.